Namaskar, friends. Today we are at Radisson Blu. This is Marina Hotel, jo purana, where the Gandhiji's assassination was planned and plotted and by Nathuram Godse. I'm just giving the historic bit.
Wow.
So this is, you see Delhi, and then you see this, poster for this movie, Porishpur, जिसके उभरते हुए कलाकार साहिल सलाठिया is with us.
जी.
ये एक बहुत effective character play कर रहे हैं भानु का.
जी.
So now over to Sahil. Sahil, आप बताएं कि how did you get into this movies? We'll start there.
So मेरी journey शुरू हुई because मैं B.Tech कर रहा था चंडीगढ़ में and then मैंने modeling शुरू करी and उससे फिर मैंने अपना पहला series करी आशुतोष गोवारिकर सर के साथ एवरेस्ट नाम की. उसके बाद निखिल अडवाणी जी के साथ I did POW. And then I did Panipat with Ashutosh Gowarikar sir last year. That was a big film and I was playing Shamsher Bahadur, Bajirao Mastani का बेटा. And अब मैं कर रहा हूँ Porishpur जो 29th को Alt Balaji और Z5 पे आएगी. So we are all very excited. ये किरदार जो है special because बहुत ही layered character है. So as an actor आप वही parts करना चाहते हैं जो layered हो, जिनमें परफॉर्मेंस का स्कोप हो, जिसमें ऐसा ना हो कि यूनिडायमेंशनल एक ही डायरेक्शन में वो जा रहे हैं. It should be different things happening at the same time.
You said you're the Nritya Samrat.
Yeah, correct. I'm the Nritya Guru, but
Nritya Guru,
right. Nritya Guru, but every episode you'll see the Nritya Guru doing something else,
mischievous,
something very, very mysterious. And mischievous and mysterious, so both of them, yeah.
It comes out to the audience, reflect ho jata hai.
Yeah, 100%. But then I can't tell you when it happens and how it happens because for that you'll have to watch it.
We'll have to watch it.
100%, yeah.
So this experience of acting here in Porishpur, you've got a lot of stars. You have Milind, and you have Anu Kapoor ji is there.
Yeah.
So there's so many stars, and then Polumi we were told is there.
Yeah.
So how was it there? The chemistry, आप लोग के बीच में क्या था? What was it at the site? At the site.
It was great because as actors, it's very important to have a good team because acting is all about action reaction. आप सिर्फ ऐसे one-sided acting नहीं कर सकते. अगर सामने से आपको अच्छा action आएगा तभी आप react कर पाएंगे.
Yes, the vibes.
Exactly, the vibes. Yeah. So and since all the actors are so good and extremely wonderful at their craft, so it was such a pleasure. And for me, it became very easy because when you're surrounded by good actors, your work also looks better.
Right. Most of the actors, the stars, the male and the female co-stars, I think they're all had some experience.
Right.
So what was your learning bit? आपका क्या वहाँ पे? What did you feel you learned?
But I'm the kind of person I learn from everything that's happening around me every day. As an actor, you have to observe. आप observe करते हैं चीज़ें, उनको अपनी life में ढालते हैं, फिर आप उनको screen पे लेके जाते हैं. So even इस set पे जैसे अनु जी के साथ काम करके इसलिए special था because he's such a senior actor. I mean, he's extreme, he's legendary. So of course it was a privilege, but I've always worked with very, very senior actors and it's always a pleasure because आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है and even with newer actors, because newer actors have a very fresh approach because वो इतना international cinema देखते हैं, इतना उनको पता है कि आज के टाइम में क्या स्क्रीन प्ले सही है, क्या पेसिंग सही है, उनका काम करने का तरीका, they do so much homework, so you learn from everybody.
Right.
Yeah.
We were told this अब जो shooting हुई थी आपकी, it was held in Karjat,
right,
which is very close to Mumbai.
Right.
People who were watching,
right,
and it was indoors,
right,
in the ND studio.
Right.
So आप लोग के means how long the shoots were like?
Quite long, but not beyond the professional working hours, 8 to 10 hours a day, but that's normal.
How much time it took you
to film this? I think a few months. Like,
few months?
Yeah. Different schedules and because when you're making something like this, समय तो लगता है कितनी बार आप एक दिन में शायद एक ही सीन कर पाते हैं या फिर एक भी नहीं कर पाते हैं. जब मैंने पानीपत शूट करी थी तो मैंने पानीपत के लिए 1.5 साल शूट करा था.
Oh God.
Yeah, so
Panipat was an excellent.
Yeah. For a year and a half, I shot for that film. Yeah, for a year and a half. It's just that मेरे लिए पानीपत इससे ज़्यादा मुश्किल इसलिए थी बिकॉज उसमें देयर वाज टू मच फिजिकल होमवर्क फॉर मी लाइक दाढ़ी बाल. इसमें आई लुक लाइक माई सेल्फ दो इट्स पीरियड ड्रामा बट आई स्टिल लुक लाइक माई सेल्फ.
ओनली योर वार्डरोब इज लाइक
वार्डरोब बट वो तो होना ही था लार्जर देन लाइफ. So but it was a pleasure shooting this was a pleasure because the team is so good. The director, I have to mention him, Sachindra Vats, he's done such a good job. जब आप ये series देखेंगे so आप मुझे feedback दीजिएगा Instagram पे. Instagram पे I like people giving me feedback, so then you tell me how you liked his work.
And your fans would like to know, since you talked your education, you said you've done your B.Tech from Chandigarh.
Right.
So everybody wants to know that in the future, are you going back into your, means
No.
means you were going to stay in cinema.
100%.
100%. Wow, that's great.
Yeah,
So
and I would
people-
like to work in India, and I would like to work abroad. I would like to work in American movies. It's so these days the world is very small. Everything's You don't have to be catering to only one audience. So the idea is not to just cater to one audience. With Porishpur, I'm trying to cater to a bigger audience. So every time I do something, there's an idea behind it. Like sometimes I do work which I know is not going to reach out to a lot of people because it's very niche. Yes. But with Porishpur, it's shot beautifully. It's extremely creative and artistic, but I know it's going to reach out to the masses also.
True, that's the main point.
Yeah.
And one more thing is like when you're talking about a web series. So web series, what happens like today even on TV, television, हम लोग जाते हैं तो हम लोग एक channel कोई watch कर रहे हैं, then suddenly the break comes in. Then we switch on to another channel.
Right.
So how gripping is this?
This is very, very gripping, and there is no way you will change the channel.
Yeah, therefore I wanted to put it to the audience.
No,
that
in
stay
fact,
put, keep on watching.
In fact, I think you'll binge watch it. You'll quickly watch all the episodes together because that's how gripping it is.
All right.
Yeah.
And maybe to conclude, our other friends took the message from you, so you can give it on this. It goes in the same video. If you want to say something.
I just want to tell you all, please watch Porishpur. It's coming out on the 29th, Alt Balaji par और Z5 पर. So आप 29th को आप Porishpur देखिए and मुझे बताइए आपको कैसा लगा. Okay.
And you want to introduce yourself as you introduced once more.
Yes.
Yeah.
So hi, I'm Sahil Salathia, and it's been such a pleasure talking about Porishpur here in Delhi. And please watch it. It's coming out on the 29th.
Thank you, Sahil. And
Pleasure.
me, I'm Sanjay Agarwal. My friend on the camera, he's Kaushal Kumar.
Hi.
So we have two channels, Shine Delhi and Alight 24/7 News.
Oh, nice.
So
Okay.
we'll share you the links. And,
For sure.
We are inspired by the other fellow journalists that they subscribe to our channel and we get more audience.
For sure.
That's it. So thank you, Sahil.
Thank you.
Lovely. Wish you all the best for your career.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
One second.